welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making cheese scones. In my bowl I'm going to add self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. I'm now going to add my butter and combine it with my hands until it makes breadcrumbs. And I'm now going to add my grated mature cheddar. I'm going to make a well and I'm going to pour in my milk a little bit at a time until it forms a dough ball. I have dusted my side with some flour. I am now going to roll out my dough until it is 2 centimeters thick. I'm now going to cut out my scones using a cookie cutter. And I'm now going to place them onto a baking tray. I'm going to glaze my scones with a little bit of milk, and finally finish with a little bit of cheese on top. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. I'm now going to bake these for 15 to 20 minutes in the oven or until they go golden brown and are cooked through. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.